He's the right. He's the right.
Okay.
He's the right. He's the right.
One more.
Let's double our energy as we finally welcome Mr. and Mrs. Fajardo! Come on!
Over and over again, only you. Every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try, nothing that I wouldn't do. I choose you. Only you.
Si Dan is my first boyfriend. Nung high school ako, hindi ko alam na magkakaroon ako ng boyfriend kasi medyo boyish ako kumilos nung high school.
Nag-start kami magkausap nung time na yung friend namin, nagkamali siya magpa-load. And sa akin napunta. Si Abby yung nagre-request ng load kay Sarah. Nung time na yun, nag-text sa akin si Abby, kinukuha niya na yung load. And then that time, doon na kami nag-start na mag-usap. And then nagkaputihan.
I choose you over and over again. Only you. Every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try, nothing that I wouldn't do. I choose you. Don't get up.
Hello, darling. Kamusta ka? 13 years na tayo magkasama. Thank you sa pagsama mo sa akin at sa pag-alaga mo sa akin. Sa araw na to, ipapangako ko sa iyo na lagi kitang aalagaan, gagabayan at iingatan. Lagi kong ipapaalala sa iyo na mahal kita. At sa bawat minuto o oras at taon, pag-ibig ko sa iyo, laging buo at di magbabago.
Don't get up.
Dear Dadan, mahal, darling, we did it. Finally, nandito na tayo. Tama nga yung kasabihan, sa hinaba-haba man ng prosesyon, sa simbahan din ang tuloy. all those years. I will promise to be your kakampe/kaaway, your best chismis partner, and now, your asawa. This is now really our beginning of our new chapter. I love you.